Yeah, hi guys, let's see the security key unboxing and how to use the security key for protecting your account. Let's see. Log into your account and click on your security tab. Go to two-factor authentication steps. Yeah, and then log in with your password to go inside to two-factor authenticated devices. So inside that we will add two security keys. Okay, the security keys, to add a security keys we need to click on add security keys, click on physical USB or NFC key. We are using NFC enabled security key, which is Yubico. Okay, so this is the Yubico. Just plug with the OTG, C type OTG, so that on your Mac or on your laptop, if you don't have USB, you can use this OTG. Okay, so I connected, I pressed that the NFC. Okay, and it is detected, and that's why I can add. So just name the key name of the device. So I just write it as Sandesh security key. Okay, so this is added as a security key in my Google account. So click on next, and that's successful, done. Yeah, so this is done. It is added as a security hardware device in my account. So I can take a backup. You can use authenticator app. Yeah, so for that you need to scan this barcode, or you can use the keys inside the barcode. Yeah, so go to the authenticator app and fill this details inside the authenticator app. Okay, with the key, and that's it. And then just plug your NFC card, yeah, the key, and or tap that, automatically it will come to the OTP, and you can paste that OTP. Yeah, and then yes, it's go. So it is enabled now. Authenticator app is also configured. Yeah, and I'm logging with my account. So in a private mode, I added my username, I added my password, and then I added the device to get the OTP, and I tap this, and it's authenticated, yes, by two-factor. I got the OTP, and it's successfully login, and I can see my emails, okay, YouTube and all. Thank you. Must use this security key to protect your account. This is called as a two-factor authenticated account key. Thank you for watching, and must subscribe, like and comment for my videos.